Good afternoon, all.
Good
How are you?
afternoon, sir. Good, sir.
Okay, I heard that a lot of you are little tense. Do not worry about it. It's very easy. So I would like all of you to welcome for this quiz. This is the food safety quiz for the year 2020, and we are going to have a fun. So I hope that all of you are ready to have a fun.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I cannot see the energy over here.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we have to have a fun over here. That's very important.
Right,
So
sir.
quickly, can we start from the Taj Exotica Resort and Spa? And quickly, can you give your introduction that from where are you and which department do you work?
Vijay Parak from Purchase.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Pratmesh Raikar from FNB Service.
Hello, this is Denise Sequera from Food Production.
All right, so we have Denise Vijay over here from Taj Exotica, from Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa, Goa.
Good afternoon. This is Joel Sequera from Food and Beverage.
I'm Doyle Alfonso from Food Production.
Vishnu Madeshwar from Stores.
Okay, so Joel, Doyle, and Vishnu, all of them are over here, and we have our own.
This is Sujit Day from Food Production.
All right.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. It's Kapil Lavande from Purchase.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritesh Kumar Gupta from FNB Service.
Okay, so Sutesh Kapil is already over here from the Taj Hotel and Convention Center. Let's move to the Siddhartha Goa.
Pravindra, Siddharthi Goa. Food Production.
All right.
Hello, hi, Andrew from Stores.
Ashish Panvelkar from FMB Service.
Okay, so Ashish, Andrew, and Ravinder Shev. Okay, three of them are over here from Taj Exotica Resort and Spa
Hi
Goa.
everyone, Arvind from Taj Holiday Village.
Food Production.
Sonu Repade from Taj Holiday Village from FNB department.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prashant Haldankar from Purchase Department, Taj Holiday Village.
Okay, so Edmund, Sonu, and Prashant representing Taj Holiday Village, and we have Vivanta Goa team.
Good afternoon, everyone. Moses Carvalho from Purchase.
Hi, I'm Gauri from Food Production.
Good afternoon, this is Rajat from FNB Service.
All right, so Moses, Gauri, and Rajat, all three of them are set. So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a very easy quiz. Let me explain this how it goes. You will get a screen. On that, you will get 10 numbers. You have to tell me which number you want. We will open that number's question to you. That question, okay, will be hidden. This question will get opened. We will read the question. We will read the options. There are 4 options altogether. And you need to tell us what is your answer. You will get 20 seconds of time to answer. If you give a right answer, it's okay. You will get 50 points. If you don't write, if you are not correct in your answers, you will get nothing. Okay? So please do not worry about it. All right? So participants are ready?
Yes, sir.
Nothing to lose over here. When there is something to lose, I will tell you. All right? So you have to choose one question. We will give you 10 questions. You cannot see the question. You have to choose only the number. The moment you choose your number, you cannot change that number. For your right answer, 50 points, no negative, as I said earlier, and you will get 20 seconds. Obviously, the questions will not get passed to the next team. All right? So do not worry about it. Okay? You just have to answer. Go ahead. It's a first round. We have to try everything. The teams are ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we have Taj Exotica Resort and Spa, and they have to choose the number. Which number is yours?
Number 9.
All right. So we have chosen number 9, and your question is, reuse of cooking oil should be limited to a maximum time to avoid formation of trans fat, and your time starts now. And your options are 1, 2, 3, and 5. How many times?
One time.
Okay. So what's your answer?
Option A.
Option A is 1 time. Let's see the correct answer. It's 3 times maximum. You're correct. I would like to tell over here that yes, if we do have that practice of throwing the oil, it's the best practice, correct? But as far as the guidelines are concerned, yes, we can utilize it for maximum 3 times. All right, so don't worry, nothing to lose over here. Let's move to the next team. So Taj Exotica is not scoring any point this point of time. Let's start with Taj Fort Aguada. You have the
We'll take question number 5.
question number 5. So Fort Aguada is choosing question number 5. Let's see what is sanitizing. We have the options coming over here. Reducing bacteria by application of heat or chemical agent. Done before washing. Sanitizing is also wiping all the surfaces with clean clothes and applying detergent to a clean surface. The time is starting. You need to choose one.
The answer is A, reducing bacteria by application
Alright,
of heat
so
or chemical.
Taj Fort Aguada has chosen the option 1, which is reducing bacteria by application. It's correct answer altogether. So give a big round of applause. I cannot see that vibrancy over here. All right, great. So we are coming back on Taj Hotel and Convention Center. All right. So which number?
Number 6.
All right. So Taj Hotel and Convention Center is having number 6. Which method is not suggested to defrost food? And your options are using a microwave defrost function, place food into containers and then into fridge, place in oven at controlled temperature and place directly in oven and cook at normal settings. So your time starts now.
D. The answer is D.
Answer is D.
Yes.
All right, so place directly in the oven and cook at normal setting. Have you read the question carefully? All right, so we will log this answer and I'm sure that it is correct answer. We'll go to place directly in the oven and cook at normal setting. That's the correct answer. So as of now, the Taj Fort Aguada got 50 points. Taj Hotel and Convention Center got 50 points. Let's move to Siddharth Goa team. And your turn.
4.
4. All right, so we'll go for the 4. What are the different categories of licenses as per FSSAI? We have the options. Okay, registration is required, state licenses are required, central license is required, and all the above are also essential. So what is your answer? That's great. So your answer is D, right? So let's have a look at it. It's correct answer. All right, so give a big hand to Siddharth Goa team. They are getting 50 points. Let's move to the next team, which is Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa. What is your number?
7.
Number 7 has been chosen. Your question is, what will you wear by entering food processing area? Your options are coming. You can wear a kada, bangle, thread or bracelet, long earrings, wedding band, and none of the above.
D. None of the above.
So it's quite simple over there. It's none of the above. So give a big hands to all of you. So moving on to the last team, Vivanta Goa Panchi, and your option.
Is 1. Question
It's
number
1?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go for the 1 and see what question is coming. Potable water should be tested according to which standards? And the options are IS 15,000, IS 22,000, IS 10,500, and IS 17,025. So that's looking a little tricky.
IS 10,500.
All right, so it's C IS 10,500, and actually it's correct answer. All right, so your big hand over here. The Vivanta Goa Panchi is getting 50 points, and I'm sure that the scores have been calculated properly. Thank you very much for this first round. Let's move on to the second round. The rules are all same. You need to answer the question, no negatives, 4 options, and hope the teams are ready. Now to do the twist, what we'll do that we will start from the other side, which is very important. So we have given chance to the furthest team. Now we are giving chance to the nearest team, the host of this quiz, Vivanta Goa Pandit. All right, so we are coming up to round 2. And over here, specifically, we are talking about eat right, that what to eat, correct? And it's a big campaign by the government of India. So this entire round will be based on the Eat Right India Movement campaign, all right? So I'm sure that you must have seen a lot of promotional videos on the YouTube. So those will help you out when you're answering these questions. So rules remains the same. You will get 20 seconds again. There is no negative points at all. And this time we will start from Vivanta Goa Panji. All right. And of course the questions will not get passed. Your turn to choose your question. Question number 10. So maybe 10 is lucky for them. Cooked rice is likely to get contaminated with which pathogenic bacteria? Cooked rice is likely to get contaminated with which pathogenic bacteria? The options are Clostridium botulinum, Bacillus, Salmonella. Which one is there?
Ceres.
B. Option B.
Option
B.
Option B is been chosen and it's been locked, and let's see the correct answer. Is B is correct. So that's entirely great that Vivanta Goa Panji is bang on the target. Let's move to the Taj Holiday Village.
Number 9.
Number 9. All right. So, for which artificial sweetener does the label state? And this is a quite mouthful word, okay? And which is very interesting. So let's see the options again. That's aspartame, sucralose, asuflame, and none of the above. The time is ticking. Please check.
C.
Okay, the Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa Goa is saying C is the answer. Let's see that whether C is correct or not. It's unfortunately it's not the correct answer. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so I hope that the scores got the scores correct. Here there is no answer. And let's move to the Siddhartha Goa team.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, so number 2 is coming. The term used for live bacteria found in yogurt. The options are coming, and I'm sure that you must have seen this in your hotel. The options are antibiotics, adjuvant, prebiotics, and probiotics. What is this? The time starts.
A.
Your answer is?
A.
Okay, your answer is A. I'm so sorry for that, but it is probiotic. And let's move to the Taj Hotel Convention Center. Your number? Number 6 is the one. So onions purple color is due to, let's see the options. What are the options? Okay, anthocyanin, carotenoid, chlorophyll, and none of the above. Sorry?
Option is B.
Option B. Sure, you mean to say chlorophyll. All right, so this is unfortunately a wrong answer. Okay, so chlorophyll you will find in the green thing, which is green. Chlorophyll, carotenoid is in carrots, and then of course the first answer is correct. All right, so team is not scoring over here. Let's move to the Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa Goa.
Question number 5.
Question number 5. All right, which of this is not nutrient? Vitamins, minerals, fibers, and fat. Okay.
D. Fats.
Fats. Fat is locked, and unfortunately it's not correct. It's fiber. So Taj Fort Aguada is not scoring over here. Please take a note. And let's move to the last team, Taj Exotica Resort and Spa Goa. Choose your question.
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay. Okay, the term used for addition of nutrients to the food that were not originally present. Let's have a look at the options. And the options are food enrichment, food diversification, food fortification, and none of the above.
Option C.
Okay, so over here you're saying the option C, which is food fortification. Are you sure about it? Do you know something what is food fortification? It's unfortunately not correct. It is food enrichment, where you are adding more of the nutrients to the food. So it's a very, very tricky question. All right, we'll start with the Taj Fort Aguada. They have scored 50 rounds in the first round, second round no point, so only 50 is the total. Taj Holiday Village only 50 points as of now. Siddharth the Goa team is also having 50 points as of now. Taj Hotel and Convention Center is 50 points as of now. Taj Exotica Resort and Spa, so sorry, but do not worry, we have enough rounds to cover. As of now, you have to score, but right now the leading team is Vivanta Goa Panji, and they scored 100 points as of now, so 50-50 in both the rounds. So we'll start with the third round. The third round is little trickier. Let me tell you that in third round, you would be having negative markings. So please be careful, okay? Now one more thing is going to happen over here, that the moment you choose the question will directly appear on the screen, correct? And the moment question appear on the screen, your time will start, all right? So please be careful when you choose the question. All your attention has to be there on the screen to avoid the time. The time is a key over here. Let's see. Can we start?
Yes, sir.
All right, excellent. So let's see the screen first. And this time we will again start from the Taj Exotica Resort and Spa, and your chance to choose the question.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Pass.
Food Safety and Standard Authority of India.
Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Very good. Excellent. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. That's correct. So this team is getting 50 points. All right. Let's move to the Taj Fort Aguada and your turn.
Question 5.
Question number 5. FMEA.
Pass.
All right. So the question is getting passed to Taj Hotel and Convention Center. Pass. All right. Siddharth de Goa. Pass. Team
Pass.
over here, pass. Vivanta, do you want to try? Because this is minus 25. You do not want to try. Okay, great. So now, no team is answering over here. So let's have a correct answer. It's starting from failure. Just answer, mode, and effect analysis. Okay, so it's quite a technical term, okay, which is used for some of the scientific projects also, and sometimes the and which comes. Now, since we have started from Taj Fort Aguada and they were not able to answer this, we will move to Taj Hotel and Convention Center for their third round question. 3. Okay, so we will go to 3 HFSS. The time has already started. Okay, so the team don't want to take the risk. Here, do we need to take a risk? Not at all. So the question is passed.
Yeah.
Okay, over here we are having Taj Holiday Village.
Give an answer.
If you answer and it's wrong,
Yeah, that's
then
fine.
it's negative.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Highly fat, sugar, and salt.
highly fat,
sugar, and salt.
and salt. I think I should give you, because you just miss a simple thing, but I think I need to give
Either
you.
is high or highly.
Very good. Excellent. So give a big hand of applause to them. So Taj Holiday Village will get 25 points. Excellent, Taj Holiday Village.
Thank you.
And I like the way you answer this. Let's move to the next team. Siddharth Goa, choose your question. Number 6. Okay, so it's quite easy. Is it fast? Okay, so clock stops. Okay, so we'll move to the next team now. Taj Holiday Village, you
yes.
have 25 points to score.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Food safety training and certification.
Excellent. Okay. So it's quite tricky. So food safety training and certification, and that and is also there over there, so which is quite making it tricky. So well done, Team Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa. I cannot see the big round of applause for them. All right, great. Let's move to Taj Holiday Village again, and your turn. Choose the question.
4.
Question 4. GRAS.
Yes, sir. General recognize as safe and general recognize as safe.
Okay, so I will take
As
the
safe.
answer correct. Give a big hand. It is generally recognized and safe. Okay. So I would request, if you are answering, please decide in between and then.
Sorry, yeah.
No problem. So we are considering this answer as a correct answer. 50 points for them. Okay. Now we'll move to the Vivanta Goa Panji for their term.
First.
Okay. The number 1 is their favorite, and it's ADI.
So the answer is acceptable daily intake.
Wow. So it's acceptable daily intake, and it's a correct answer.
Done.
All right. So we are talking about eat right over here, and we need to understand that how much we need to take daily. It's very important. So after this round, Vivanta is scoring 50, and let's go back to our rounds. And before that, let's see that what is the score by 3 rounds. You can see the scores over here. The Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa Goa is having 50 points. Taj Holiday Village has banked in this round and 150 points. Siddharth Goa is on 50. Vivanta Goa Panji on 150 points. Taj Hotel and Convention Center on 50 points. And Taj Exotica Resort and Spa Goa is on 50 points at the moment. So leading 2 teams right on next to each other, which is Taj Holiday Village Resort and Spa and Vivanta Goa Panji. Give a big hand to both the teams.